Alright, my good people, and welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. At least now we don't come back again with breaking news. We don't come your side again with another legit intel on the things and things where they go on for inside with nation Nigeria. And right now, my good people, I bring you updates concerning the things and things where they go on for inside Edo State. And indeed, wonders shall never end. As I'm talking to you right now, my good people, the Foundation for Investigative Journalism will be FIJ. They don't publish a bombshell report, and for inside this report they yarn say the kind irregularities dem wey dey for inside the September 21st 2024 Edo State governorship election massive, no be small. And last after the election, the INEC wey be the Independent National Electoral Commission, they con declare Senator Monday Ukpebolo of the All Progressive Congress as the winner. And no be lie, my good people, you know say during the election, some kind organizations dem plaster to observe wetin dey sup, and the Foundation for Investigative Journalism dem follow plaster. After the election don sup, dem shake their head say like this one no be election at all. The thing no go well, e no make sense. Now according to the report wey dem drop, they say the governorship election wey happen for inside Edo State on the 21st day of September for inside the year 2024, the kind voter suppression wey dey inside there massive, no be small. The kind violence wey come board massive, no be small. And result falsification sef e still happen. And all these mago activities is proudly sponsored and brought to us by the leaders of the All Progressive Congress. And they no do am alone. They do am in partnership with the Independent National Electoral Commission wey be INEC and security agencies. No be small matter like this, so my good people. Now for inside this report, so where the Foundation for Investigative Journalism then drop the yarn plenty, but the center of attraction now the massive irregularities then wey happen for inside S쪼àòng West local government area, and that's now a well-known stronghold of the All Progressive Congress, where they led by former Governor Adams Oshiomhole. And for inside the area, my good people, the All Progressive Congress then secure total sum of 32,107 votes against the People's Democratic Party, wey get 17,483 votes. But however, my good people, the FIJ will be the Foundation for Investigative Journalism. They can't discover, say the certified true copy of the coalition results from the area where they obtained by the People's Democratic Party was labeled as a replacement copy, and the thing they lack the official stamp of the Independent National Electoral Commission, unlike similar documents from other local government areas them. That is to show say men don't do things and things for inside that local government area. Men don't rig wetin no good for inside, so they can't give PDP a replacement copy. And it no finish there, my good people. No say the credibility of the election for inside S쪼àòng West was further tarnished by one incident wey happen for inside Auchi Council Hall on the 22nd day of September for inside the year 2024. And wetin happened there no be small thing. Gunfire disrupt the collation process. Jaguda men just enter the premises, begin to do Jaguda business. They come dey shoot gun anyhow. And in the process of doing their Jaguda business, in the chaos, the deputy chairman of the local government, wey they go by the name Benji, that one now come last collect bullets, and later they come dey yarn say na the police now orchestrate the attack. Thing now come lead to the loss of electoral documents them. No be small matter like this, so my good people. No be small thing wey go down for inside Edo State during the Edo State governorship election. Now the investigation of the FIJ, it implicates several high-ranking APC members in the alleged electoral malpractice. These their reports where they drop, so they show say ogbonge men for inside the leadership of the All Progressive Congress, their handwriting follow for this chaos. Their hand they inside. And men like Dennis Edaosa, will be the now deputy governor of Edo State, they accuse him of coordinating voter suppression for inside areas where we say now the People's Democratic Party now they dominate pass. And they say they accuse and say in they influence the officials of the Independent National Electoral Commission during the collation of the results. Then another APC figure where they go by the name Nosa Adams from Ego local government area, they yarn say this man he play a pivotal role. He play one ogbonge role in altering results to favor the All Progressive Congress. So based on the report wey FIJ drop, Oga Nusa Adams and Oga Idausa Dennis, dem reportedly exploit their political clout to subvert the electoral process. Based on say dem na men wey get hands for the All Progressive Congress, dem kukuma use that their hands, dem kukuma use that their influence take influence officials of the Independent National Electoral Commission, and dem even arrange boys to go the stronghold of the People's Democratic Party. That is, those areas, those local governments dem wey be say na PDP na get am, APC know say yes na dem get am, dem go send thugs to go there, go steal ballot box, to go cause kasala so that PDP no go fit gather votes. But for inside their own cabal, they just go down like this, begin dey do some kind things, begin dey do mago to make sure say na dem last win election. And the Independent National Electoral Commission wey INEC, they also chop criticisms for inside this report. The FIJ dey yarn say despite mandating the use of the bimodal voter accreditation system wey be Gbas for electronic transmission of results, they still use manual collation. And that manual collation now wey dem use in numerous polling units, e can't even create opportunities for manipulation. That is, instead of INEC to use Gbas, normally that one na automated something, as you vote they go calculate am. No, INEC no use am. Dem pass back go dey use manual collation, and with that manual collation, e go dey very much easy to manipulate, e go dey very much easy to falsify. And INEC sef constantly chop accused of denying court orders to release critical election materials. And sake of say they no gree release critical election materials, e con dey frustrate the legal efforts of the People's Democratic Party to take contest the election result for inside court. And not just that, there were many cases of overvoting for inside the election. And normally, if whereby there's a case where we say total votes don't exceed the accredited voter count, that is overvoting, they will stop the election, they will stop the voting for that particular unit, for that area. But no, they don't stop them, they still continue. So with all these levels self, now even make the People's Democratic Party go file a legal petition to challenge the results. And the PDP said they talk about the widespread irregularities them and non-compliance with the Electoral Act. This my good people, now the information I want to share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, or if you get contributions about the matter, feel free make it drop them inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they like giving a legit informate on the things and things where they go on for inside with nation Nigeria. So if you like this news and would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to our channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as they bring more news they come, now you go first receive the updates and you go even get them sharp. And they come inside the game with on that legit intel for you, my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.